Your boy's back with Dig, man. I'm about to unpackage this to see how these super bands work. A lot of people say that they work good. So I got these from Ross. So let's unpackage this and see what we got in this box, champ. Just knocked off 100 pull-ups. You know what I mean? So let's see, guys. Let's check this out. It's opened up. Okay, the manual here, the dialogue stuff, as y'all can see, what this can do. See? As y'all see this part right here. You know what I mean? Then let me turn it on the back. You can see the other stuff. And then it got like the exercise guide here. You see, don't you see the exercise guide? All that there. You know what I mean? So this would be a good add to my workouts. So let's see the bands. Let's see, guys. This is band. Let's see. Oh, this is. This is the light band. This band might be kind of light. Let's see, guys. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Not bad. Not bad. It's wet out here, so I ain't gonna let this hit the ground too much, you know. Let's see how each of these go, right? Let's see. That's one, champ. One down. Let's see how this shit works, champ, you know? See how it works. Just the second one. Just the second one, champ. Let's see. See how it goes, champ. The ground wet. See this medium. See this medium. So this gonna be all right. Let's see, champ. Let's see, champ. This the third one. This the thick one. This the thick one here. This the thick one, champ. See how this one got heavy? See this heavy. Whoa. This heavy. It's heavy, champ. So I will be seeing how these things work in the near future, champ. You know what I mean? I will be seeing how these things work in the near future, like on my arms and stuff. So. And then this only costs like $5, like $3 or $5. Yup. So, if I was y'all, I'll try to get one. If I was y'all, I'll try to get this. Is an Ecoline Sport Super Bands. They got light, medium, and heavy. I mean, for the durability. So y'all should try to get one and add this towards your workout, champ. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, champ. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a blessed day. Yeah.